There's one right across from us over here and right behind you.
Straight across?
Inside that barrel. There we go. Breathe.
Go, go, go.
Yo, you got some in that building. You got some there? You got one across. He's right behind the bar.
I got two.
Get back, coming out. Get
That,
back, coming out, coming out.
that's it.
Dead man coming out of the building! Dead man coming out of the building! Dead man coming out!
I'm with
I
you!
need some backup. I need some backup. Where are you at?
You're hit. Get out. Not hit.
Surrender! Oh shit, you're on my team. Cool. Are you a specialist?
Yes.
Well, I called surrender.
Wait, what?
What the hell are you doing?
You're not allowed to use a pistol if you're not a specialist, though.
Well, I had to for infiltrating in here.
Oh.
They told you?
Yeah, nice.
I think we're out.